QDR push-up looks like this. So you're going to start in a kind of quadrilateral position. Hands and feet are on the ground, knees are lifted off the ground, but only by an inch or so. And then as you come down through the push-up, your shoulders will go over the top of your hands, and then your knees will go to one side or the other. Your whole body twists to accommodate, and then as you push back up, it comes back to square. So again, I'll talk you through it. In this position, my weight goes through my first knuckle. I'm kind of pulling my hands back towards my feet, and my knees are lifted off the ground. Then I come, so my shoulders will come forwards, down here, so I'm aiming my chest down here, but my shoulders are pulled backwards. So here, coming down, and pushing back up again. On the other side,